So let us proceed now. For project number 1, contract ID 25ND00 to 27 in RGP Blawigan leading to Lake Dapong Napo, Esperanza, Agusan del Sur. So since we have already discussed this during our pre-procurement conference, so no need to elaborate. However, may mga changes like for example, Opo Enhance, so okay na niya? No more? No. Okay na, so okay na. This is kung ano, let's release the anything. So, yes. So, number 2, contract ID 25ND0036, construction of bank protection along Ibong River, Maygatasan section, downstream, Barangay Maygatasan, Bayugan, Agusan del Sur. So, clearing and grubbing, removal of trees, excavation, embankment, steel sheet piles, reinforcing steel bars, structural concrete, and rubble concrete. So, the same no, so 255 calendar days, this is flood control. Number 3, contract ID 25NP0037, construction of flood control structure along Ibong River, La Suerte, okay. Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur, phase 3. Prosper, Agusan del Sur, clearing and grubbing, removal of trees, excavation, embankment, steel sheet piles, enforcing steel bars, structural concrete, and rubble concrete. So the amount is, the ABC is 96,500,000, calendar days is 390 calendar days. So, if LR net, if LR na po din? Oo, LR. Kuha na siya? Insertion net? Okay. How about this number 3? Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, LR na tanan? Pero lagi mo lang si director nga o si Kati, kuha na, ang buwan daw, nag-issue na daw ang DBA, pero ihatag pa sa planning ng central office. No? Yes, okay. Naman din sa 600 million na okay. So for number 4, contract ID 25ND0038, construction of Ibong River Bank, slope protection structure along Barangay Las Navas, LR na doon. Okay, this is one money addition, pero insertion, katong buhan na insertion 3 o 2, 3 o kani. Ang 2, ang libili to, insertion lang, naman ang bidding ang 2. Katong 2 ba? Dili, katong phase 2. Sige. So, 96,500,000, 190 million days. So, ibig sabihin, isang insertion din sila, ito lang yung i-bidding, no? January 17, to February 6. So, ang opening of bids will be on February 6. Sige. So, okay na siya, no? February 6 at 10 a.m. Kaning 5 projects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Parang isa. 4. Okay. Short of our numbers.
Ano po ko sa calendar days na po?
36.
36.
255.
255, sir.
255. Yes, blood. Put na lang. 255. So, any questions? So, hearing none.